Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit with another episode of What Are We Eating? Today, we're going over the 24-ounce box of Tyson original chicken breast sandwiches and the Tyson spicy chicken breast sandwiches. Both are made with all white meat chicken that is minimally processed with no artificial ingredients and served on an artesian bun that costs $8.23. The four sandwiches cost $8.23, not the artesian bun. So let's go over the Tyson original chicken breast sandwiches first, which out of 75 reviews received 3.5 stars out of 5. Here's the list of ingredients, and fortunately it doesn't look like the chicken breast portion is a 4-meat slurry concoction. So hopefully we're not looking forward to a spongy, rubbery piece of chicken. Each sandwich has 460 calories, 15 grams of total fat, 3 grams of saturated fat, no trans fat, 7 grams of polyunsaturated fat, 4 grams of monounsaturated fat, 50 milligrams of cholesterol, 840 milligrams of sodium, 57 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, 7 grams of sugars, and 24 grams of protein. Now for the Tyson spicy chicken breast sandwiches, which out of 63 reviews received 3 stars out of 5. Here's the list of ingredients, and it looks like the dried hot sauce is really the only major ingredient difference. Each sandwich has 450 calories, 15 grams of total fat, 3 grams of saturated fat, no trans fat, 7 grams of polyunsaturated fat, 4.5 grams of monounsaturated fat, 55 milligrams of cholesterol, 960 milligrams of sodium, 55 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, 7 grams of sugars, and 24 grams of protein. Now you can heat these up in the microwave, conventional oven, or air fryer. And I'm going to do one of each sandwich in the microwave and one in the oven. Here's 2 of the Tyson original chicken breast sandwiches right out of the freezer and right out of the box. And then here's 2 of the Tyson spicy chicken breast sandwiches right out of the freezer and right out of the box. And you can definitely tell which one's original and which one's spicy just by the color of the chicken. Prepared and going into the microwave according to the directions on the box. Now here's 2 more chicken sandwiches going into the oven according to the directions on the box. Now here's our 2 microwave chicken breast sandwiches after cooking according to the directions on the box. And just by the looks of it, I know which one looks better to me. Which one looks better to you? Let me know in the comments. Now let's get the buns unwrapped from the paper towels and get our chicken breast sandwiches assembled. And then now for the purpose of the video, we cut each sandwich in half, so you, the people, can see what the chicken really looks like. Then it was time to try the original Tyson chicken breast sandwich first. And everything looks pretty good, so into the old pie hole and down the gullet it went. And for a microwave chicken sandwich, that was pretty darn good. Let me correct myself. Again, for a frozen microwave chicken sandwich, that was really good. The chicken wasn't rubbery or spongy at all. The chicken had a great texture and good flavor, and most surprisingly of all, the bun was almost perfect. Microwave bread or buns just normally don't work, but this bread was still fluffy and tender. It wasn't tough, chewy, or hard like normal microwave buns or bread are. Next, it was time to try the spicy chicken breast sandwich. And again, the chicken looked pretty darn good. So into the old pie hole and down the gullet it went. And the second half of this sandwich didn't stand a chance. As soon as I said it was good and spicy, Verlissa picked it up and wolfed down the second half. Now I like spicy food, but spicy food doesn't like me, but this wasn't too spicy for me to eat. If you like moderate spice, you'll like these. If you're a chili head, you'll need to add additional heat. Now let's try the chicken breast sandwiches that were cooked in the oven. Now let's unwrap the rolls and assemble our chicken sandwiches. Now once again, once your sandwiches were assembled, we cut them in half for the purpose of the video so that you, the people, can see the inside of the chicken. And this time, we tried the spicy chicken sandwich first. So into the old pie hole and down the gullet it went. And once again, the sandwich was really good, with the exception of the bun. Believe it or not, the bun that was cooked in the oven wasn't nearly as good as the one cooked in the microwave. The one cooked in the oven was somewhat dry and crumbly. But still, the spicy chicken sandwich was good. Next, we tried the original chicken sandwich. Into the old pie hole and down the gullet it went. And once again, the chicken sandwich was really good. But again, the bun cooked in the oven was dry and crumbly. But still, a pretty darn good chicken sandwich. I've got to say, both the Tyson original and spicy chicken breast sandwiches were both very impressive, cooked in the microwave. And both had real good texture and flavor. Whether they were cooked in the microwave or the oven, the only issue I had with either sandwich was the bun cooked in the oven. And I guess if I want to nitpick and find one more issue, if you look at this guy eating the sandwich, it looks like a big sandwich. This is simply, once again, a case of the manufacturer catfishing the consumer. Because the sandwiches weren't that big, but they also weren't sliders, but they were about a medium-sized sandwich. I'm definitely not going to go out and say these sandwiches are worth over $2 a piece, but they were really good, and they deserve an 8 out of 10 for the ones cooked in the microwave, and a 7 out of 10 for the ones cooked in the oven. Thank you all very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.